match the following. Whenever you are having the match the following, it will be taking some time. There is a technique. See, methanogens, who are all producing methanogens, methane gas producing, they are all present in guts of ruminants. So, one is D. So, we are having 4 options. You eliminated only B. Halophiles, who are all halophiles? Halo, salt rich. They are all living in very marshy places, very rich. So it should be 2A. So immediately you eliminated this one also. Thermoacidophiles, which are living in hot springs. So 3 should be B. You eliminated this one also. So the competition is between only A and D. We are narrowing the options. Cyanobacteria, blue-green, algae, BGA, which are all having heterocyst. Remember that not all members of the cyanobacteria are having heterocyst, but heterocysts are present in cyanobacteria like Anabaena, nostoc, etc. Okay, so we'll be having 4 heterocyst, 4 EC, competition goes on, the difference is only here 5. Mycoplasma, PPLO, mycoplasma are the smallest, they lack cell wall. So 4 should be the E. See, they lack cell wall. These are the smallest organisms having cellular organization where you are having no cell wall. That is why they go on changing their shape. They are pleomorphic, so called as the jokers of microbiology. They go on changing. So it is mycoplasma, lack cell wall. YE, here it is F. So we eliminated this one. Actinomycetes. It's a category of bacteria which is capable of producing antibiotics. Okay. So F. Answer goes to apple.